Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Megan. I am a mother to a 16-month-old little boy, and I am currently 34 weeks and 5 days pregnant with my little girl. And this time around we decided to go with the Graco Everyway Soother with my son. We had the 4Moms momaroo, and my son absolutely loved the momaroo. And this one here really reminds me a lot of the momaroo. It just has a lot more movements and functions and sounds, and it was actually cheaper than the momaroo if you purchased it brand new. So that is why we went with the Graco Everyway Soother. Now we did get the Tristian fashion model due to the fact that it is unisex, and we do plan on having another baby just in case we have a boy next time. If we still have this and it's still in good condition, we can use it for our next child. Now I am going to go ahead and start opening it up. The only tools that I pictured myself needing for this was a screwdriver, and the screwdriver that I have has plenty of pieces that you can attach into it and remove. So once I opened the box, I realized that I do need a pair of scissors, so I'm hoping the ones that I have here in my son's playroom are going to be sufficient enough to cut
open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open here, cold as ice and Coca-Cola.
Now that I have removed all the packaging, I am going to go ahead and look at the instruction manual, and I see that they taped the screws that you need to the instruction manual. Inside, it has like their return policy and all of that. I did purchase this from Walmart.com. So it says on here that I need to go to 3A for the assembly. Right here it shows you all of your parts and everything that you will need in your bag, or that you will have in your bag. And then it shows you the seat instructions for everything, your mobile piece for above the baby's head, and all the rest of the pieces that you will need. Now we're going to go ahead and start setting up the seat. It says, okay, it shows you the head support right here. And then we're going to go on to the seat assembly. It says insert W-shaped tube into the opening in the bottom of seat assembly with bends in tube away from vibration switch. So this right here is going to, there's going to be two holes here. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a hole here and a hole here. And you are going to click this W-shaped bar into it like this until you hear clicking. There is a thing called a rocker leg tube, which is this piece right here, and you are going to insert it in the bottom of your rocker like this until you hear click, click. And your rocker piece should look like this. Flip your seat up so your rocker legs are up in the air. Okay, those screws that we seen right here at the beginning, you're going to want to grab those out for this step. You're going to need 4 of them, which is all 4 screws that are in here. And you're going to screw it in from the bottom. I had to fix this here. They show you to screw in the screws from underneath. Do not do that. I had to do it on top. It's so much easier to do it on top because you don't get it through when you go through the bottom. So now that was why we could not strap our straps to the seat like we needed to. Now you can go ahead and strap those straps to the W-shaped piece that we snapped in at first. And then wrap everything around the seat. Now it's starting to look more like a rocker. And it should look like that. Piece right here where your mobile goes, make sure that your cover does not cover that, because you're going to want to be able to use it. And you're going to want to push it in until it clicks. Now with the Tristian one, it does come with a little teddy bear and then a tree. Onto one side, you just push it through the mobile and then attach the other one to the other side. Okay, now for your swing part, which is this part right here, this is where these 2 bars come in. And obviously you can tell that the ones with the little knobs go towards the bottom. So you can go ahead and take your plastic off if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and leave mine on until baby gets here, just in case it gets moved around a lot. So we are going to... You see how this end is a little shorter than this one? You're going to want to put that into the base of your swing, the head part of your swing, front part of it, whichever one you would want to call it, until you hear that click. And you're going to want to do the other, same thing for the other side. And then you're going to take your leg tube adapter and put it in the back piece right here. And then lay it down. And now make sure when you click these 2 pieces in, like the one to the leg adapter, the piece that we stuck into this bar, click them in together because it will be very hard if you do not. You have your power button. You're going to turn that on and it is going to light up blue. I don't know if it's showing up on camera or not with the light. And then you have your music. then you have your swinging. I'm going to go ahead and do the 8, the figure 8. That is the swing in the figure 8 position. It goes up and down in a figure 8. This is the swing in just rocking from side to side. And then it goes up and down as well. Now, I would say that this swing is very, very quiet, honestly. Like, compared, I don't know how it's going to do down the road, but with the momaroo, we, at first it was quiet, and then eventually it did get a little louder, but it wasn't ever an annoyance. Now, here is the W position. It's just going up and down and then moving the rocker. Here is the S position. And you also can have your vibrate and all of that on, obviously with the swing as well. I do not have batteries in it right now, so I do not have the vibration on. Now we're going to go over here to the U position. It's just swaying back and forth. This looks kind of like a squiggly or an N. And now we're going to go with the upside down U. And then in the circle position, now I do want to go back to the nature sounds and the songs. There are actually 4 nature sounds and 10 songs. Now the nature sounds, I played those for you guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and go through the 10 songs. Now if you just hit the song button, it will actually play through all 10 songs, and then once it gets to the 10th one and it's done, it'll just restart automatically. And there's 4 volume settings. So here's song 1. Song 3. Four, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope that you guys enjoyed this assembly and unboxing video with me. I tried my best to show you everything that I could, and I will also make sure that I input little tips in there, because like with this in the instruction manual, it does not tell you about the batteries until the end of the book. So it would have been nice, even though it's not that big of a hassle, I guess, to unbutton the underneath part of this to add in your batteries. It still would have been nice to know before I snapped all those snaps, and that way I could have put the batteries in beforehand. So I will make sure that I add that into this video as one of the tips. But I just want to congratulate you guys if you are expecting a baby and this is the reason that you made this purchase like I did. Congratulations on your new baby. If you just bought this for your child, I highly recommend a swing of some sort. The momaroo, like I said, helped me so much with my son. I am a stay-at-home mom. My husband works a lot of hours, so it helped a lot when I needed to get things done around the house and things like that. The way I can put baby in there, and he would have, like, he went to sleep, or he was okay with just laying in there playing with the little toys up top and watching those. One thing with newborns, though, they do not see color at first. All they see are black and white, and it has to be pretty close to their face in order to see it. So I'm sure you can find, if you wanted to, little black and white toys. Now, I did notice with Lincoln at first, when he was that little, he wasn't really interested in his mobile. I really didn't use the mobile on the momaroo, in all honesty. He just wasn't really interested in it. And most of the time when he was in the swing, when he was that little, he was sleeping. So that is just a little tip that I have, being a mom of one. Now with this baby, that could be a whole lot different, because every child is different. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first video of mine that you are watching, if you would, please consider subscribing to our channel and watch our family grow and succeed in life. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.